That was kind of nice. Hey, Doc Cooper, what go on? What? What are you doing? Oh, no, just Wasi, fit Wasi. I hate you, see you on first. Oh, well, King Pig is introducing new opponents. So, come on. Wait, why he's introducing opponents? I don't know, but come on. Hope something important. You're like, alright, everyone. You know why I get around all of you guys today? Well, because we have some competitors that compete against each other. My creation and a character from the Rose first. First, let me introduce my creation. He is the Mandrill, a ultimate white form, and he has the power to summon all of his friends. Behold, behold, GB. Well, his name is AJ, but I decided to go with GB because AJ is not my type. And we have another opponent that's also gonna face him to the end. Me? Why me? I don't know. Let's just keep watching. Him? Why me him? What this guy even up to? And let me behold the person who killed her best friend and tried to kill her brother. I H Y Rose, which is I hate you, Rose. Ha ha. Okay, I know what y'all thinking. Why she look like a dog? Well, because it's supposed to be her Super Mario World form, but turns out it's the Mario's sister form. But it's okay. She going form back to any second. Wait! Are you ready? Oh, okay. I'm going to fight her. 3, 2, 1. Angry Buzz. Go! Come here. Come here. Nah, don't try and hide under there. Nah, dang it. Where's it go? Whoa! Ow! Nah. Uh, a basketball. I can use that. Huh? Ah! Yeah, yeah. Oh wait. Oh, oh, that was nice. Now come here and get that. Yeah, yeah. But I stand. Whoa. I did. I need to. I need to. Uh. 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 uh I need to. No, stop screaming! It's not over yet! Hey! Ah! Yeah! Now, come on! Yeah! Well, that I guess that was good. And very impressive. But well, oh, all right, that was good. Anyway, the next match will continue tomorrow. No one still haven't knocked that thing down yet. People are probably still in there. Oh, by the way, like and subscribe if you like my new outfit. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Since it's the year 2025, I guess I can upgrade myself for New Year's Eve. Yeah. God, I feel kind of tired. I need to go back inside. Oh, man. Hey, Missy. Yeah, Missy. But I still going to call you buddy. All right. Guess I get to go back inside. Don't it ain't buzzing. Oh, God dang. Man. Oh, man. Alright, I've been outside working out. Well, I guess all I can do is go ahead and give me some Hawaiian punch if they even have some. That was kind of nice. You thought Cooper would go on? What? What are you doing? Oh, no, just Wasi, fit dumb, Wasi. I hate you, see you first. Oh, well, King Pig is introducing new opponents. So, come on. Wait, why he's introducing opponents? I don't know, but come on. Hope something important. You're right. Alright, everyone. You know why I get around all of you guys today? Well, because we have some competitors that compete against each other. My creation and a killer from the roles first. First, let me introduce my creation. He is the mandrill, a ultimate white form, and he has the power to summon all of his friends. Behold, AJ, behold, GB. Well, his name is AJ, but I decided to go with GB because AJ is not my type. And we have another opponent that's also gonna face him to the end. Me? Why me? Me? I don't know. Let's just keep watching. Him? Why me? Him? What this guy even up to? And let me behold the person who killed her best friend and tried to kill her brother. I hates Y-Rose, which is I hate you, Rose. Ha ha. Okay, I know what y'all thinking. Why does he look like a dog? Well, because it's supposed to be her Super Mario World form, but turns out it's the Marty's sister form. But it's okay. She going form back to any second. Wait! Are you ready? Oh, okay. I'm going to fight her. 3, 2, 1. Angry Buzz. Go! Come here. Come here. Nah, don't try and hide under there. Nah, dang it. Where's it go? Whoa! Ow! Nah. A basketball. I can use that. Huh? Ah! Yeah. Oh wait. Oh, that was nice. Now come here and get that. Yeah, but I'm dead. Whoa. I need to. I need to. Stop screaming! It's not over yet! Hey! Ah! Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Well, that I guess that was good. And very impressive. But well, oh, all right, that was good. Anyway, anyway, the next match will continue tomorrow. Oh, I need to be wet. See, nothing song versus Green and Black. Well, I think I should turn. I still think I should turn some music and then go back to my reaction video. And alright. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. I want to hear the dog during my reaction time. Alright. Let's go ahead. And yeah, turn that on. Hey, wait. Hey, wait. Yeah? Have you tried the Hawaiian Punch? Like, no. But why? It's kind of good stuff. What the? Who's that? Okay. Whoa! Ooh. Ow. Yep. The Allies is here to start the show. Huh. It's a very tough day. It's a very tough day, isn't it? Yeah. You said, what the? Who are you? Who am I? Oh, I'm Booker T guy. But the real question is, who are you? I'm Red. You sure? Cause you did look familiar with that red guy on the first episode. You probably think of somebody else. Are you sure? Cause that wasn't that wasn't the exact same person that just exploded them into the sky and then also tried to kill my brother. It's crazy. Oh, well, I think you're talking about someone else. Anyway, what you even doing here? Oh, well, let me turn on some music before all those embarrassments come back. Alright. Anyway, well, I found this tournament and now I enter it. Besides, I think we met in the Battle Royale. I think I remember that. You sure? Yep. I'm sorry. Okay. Well, I was thinking, but anyway, was I finna go ahead and go back where I was watching. Yeah. Uh, what man? What the hell is this, man? I mean, what the heck is this type stuff? Oh, this is just something that I'm watching. Like, I know, but it's just kind of nice. Like, no, man, they don't even talk. I just hear the music. Uh, uh, well, anyway, man, what do you think we should do? Who's we? Like, man, man, I think, man, I see you before we entered. Well, man, well, now that man, I'm here, we can think of a plan. Like, we can be partners, like a human and a bird. Partners. Okay. Well, I guess we could go ahead and check out what's going on. God, I hope Chuck is still here. I just wish. Okay. Oh, what the? What is this? What am I? What am I doing, man? What am I doing? And another one. Wait, but this don't look like the round. Well, time for me to climb. Uh, 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 oh, God. Uh, 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 I'm such an idiot. Hit me. Here. Use my flame. I want to see your devour to the flames. Fly as you go up to the zone. The what zone? Oh, anyway, wait, man, Wedge is counting on man, Wedge is counting on you to make sure no one don't betray each other. So get the phantom rubies and free us all. Okay, but Red promised that he would help me. Hmm. Well, all I remember is we were in the battle royale, and, and I died second. Huh. I think this void is for the losers. This void is for the losers. Yeah, like it just won't be smash bracket. It won't be death bow. Sorry, I hit my but anyway, all right. He said, man, he said, get the phantom rubies and free us all. I'll do my best. I, I, uh, God, that's the wrong way.
Oh,
for
Starlight.
this.
I'm just passing on. This is Detective Smolin, and this is After Block. We were hoping you could answer a few questions about Cole Campbell. You checked out last night.
Is this my allies or something? So, what should we do? I think I should go. I think I should go back to the room and check on Bond. He probably knows me. Tomorrow. Now, now, as you see, the next combatant will be Brooklyn T Guy versus my creation GB. This is known as JJ, but okay. So yeah, let's go. Wait, who's GB? Oh, that's him. What? Well, guess I'll go and fight him. It's not that hard as you think. Alright, let's go. Come on. What the? Yeah. Okay, maybe it's. Alright, I gotta think of something. Oh, yeah. Boys, don't work on me. I have souls in my body, and they don't break. But let's see yours, dude. Ah! I just need to, what should I do? I need to grab a. Oh, wait. Okay. Let me. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Nani? Uh, uh, okay. Uh, uh, uh. Oh no! Stop! 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 Oh. All right. Where he goes on? Oh! Oh! What was that? What was that? Ah! 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 What was that? Oh, he may have power. Summon, as you see, I'm raw silver. Wait, on my foot. Why am I frozen? Why am I frozen? Now, as you can see, your soul is a part of your body. Now you have to fit them. Ugh. Oh no. Wait, hold on. I got you. Now let me lift you up. Uh, uh, okay. One more thing. You go to. Oh, dang. Double twice. Ah. I win. My arms fall off, but I don't care. I win. Dang it. Well, guess Brooker guy won. Great. Alright. We're going to get ready for the next fight as soon as I finish. As soon as I finish, give me some free tea. Okay? Well, that was neat. You won, Brooker guy. That's good. Yep, yes. Can you get my one? Yeah, sure. God. I announced the host or something. Alright. Alright, let's go back to our room. Alright. Come on, Bone. Let's go. What's that noise I keep hearing? Oh, ooh. Looks like no one haven't been down there for a while. Well, I must go check out that noise was before. Ah! God, my head. Oh, why did you? The Rose? What? What the? Wait a minute, that's Knuckles. Man. Wait a minute. That's Knuckles. Oh, I see have two tails. Yeah. What? Okay. Guess I should get up and check out if something's good. Alright. Guess. Get me. Okay. I guess she's alright, but I should probably give her some water. Alright. No, I can see myself in the mirror. It's pretty nice. I look kind of cool. I look kind of cool at walk. Alright, that's enough. This is good now. Hey. Hi. Wherefore? Wherefore? What is that? Well, we're gonna talk about that. Anyway, can you form back to your normal state so I can see you? Miss, so I can see you that way? Yeah. So,
9-3. Come on,
well,
sit down, dog. I'm a math teacher after all.
you know, he made some good videos. Hey, weird guy. Do you know where the food's at? It's at the dining area to the hall. Alright, thanks. I'll be on my way. starving. Okay, Dan. God damn it, god damn. Red. Your bomb. We need to talk about this guy. Why? Well, somehow he's kind of, frames on everything and stuff. Okay. What do you mean about that? I don't think we should trust this guy. Cause he really pop me, bust out the door for nowhere and ask, "Who are you?" Hey, he also asked what the dying food said. Like, he says, boom, boom, come on. We trust this guy. Besides, he ain't doing things stupid. Well, if you say so, but I still don't trust him. Alright, man. Alright, that's enough. It's time for a battle royale. Come on, let's go. It's time for a battle royale. Alright, so here we are. Today we have 2 victims against 4 indie whores. Not these guys. I'm talking about the other ones. My creation and also horror Frey. No as Freddy Krueger. Alright, put them in now. I up now. Yeah. Let's go. Wait. FS? What is FS doing here? He's not the kind of opponent that we should face against. I don't know. But we must need to be careful just in case. And don't forget about the victims. Christy Herman, Michael Atten, and Chris Atten. Wait a minute now! God, I want, man. I already have some popcorn. I already paid for my movement. I already paid for my phone. God damn. Let's go. Wait, what's that? Power down, of course. Oh no. What? What is this? She became the angry of the power. Let's go. Yeah. I'm bowing down. Let me bow down. Stop. No. Mario! Let's go. That's my thing. Oh no. Victims. They are powerful. Powerful than those creatures. Oh no. I'll take out the kid first. Looks like I'll take out the two people. All right. I can't let them win. Hey, man. Hey, helmet. Yeah. Give them your frame. Okay. Now, now, let me kill you with my fire. What the? That's what we like. Hey, you are going to get full, so you won't come back. Yeah. One more, and then we're going to face each other. Oh yeah, it's over for you. Come on, your allies. It's done. Hey. Now let me whip your arms. Yeah, now, man. Now, anyway, you're going to get me. You're going to get thrown too. Yeah. And now let me power down. Well, that's what it was expected, but okay, that's good.